Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on connecting your VR headset to your clinic's Wi-Fi. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth setup process. Step 1. Begin by grabbing your headset and press and hold the power button until the indicator light turns blue. Step 2. Locate your right-hand controller, identifiable by the purple circle. While wearing the headset, double-click on the home button of your right-hand controller to access the menu. Step 3. Utilize the trigger button to select WLAN from the menu. Step 4. Using the trigger button again, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Afterward, click on the Connect button. Step 5. Once successfully connected to Wi-Fi, navigate back to the launching page by pressing the B button 2 times. During this redirection, you may observe a black screen, which is entirely normal. Upon returning to the paper plane logo, your headset is now ready for use. Don't forget to watch the accompanying smart tablet tutorial video. Enjoy your virtual reality experience.